The vehicle can't be opened with keyless go? Then maybe the control unit is defective. If you actually need to renew it, remember to perform a commissioning. In order to remove it, open the trunk lid. Unlock the back seat and fold the backrest forward. Remove the retaining clip from the flooring. And do the same on the other side. Then take the flooring out. Go back to the rear seat and unscrew the cargo tie-down rings. Then remove the cover. The tire fit package must also be removed. Now remove the two clips holding the trim of the rear center section. Take it upwards and out. After this, the side panel is next. This is held by a total of 4 clips, a screw eye and a hook. Remove them all. Then remove the side panel. Now you have access to the control unit. Loosen the 3 screws of the bracket. You can take out the bracket together with the control unit. Disconnect the plug, undo the nut, and finished. Installation is in the reverse order.